I really believe we're at a pivotal moment in technology with XR, or extended reality. Right now, we're experiencing a convergence of technologies that could change how we perceive the world around us. With Google's Gemini technology driving Android XR, we're on the verge of some incredible advances. Imagine processing different signals the way we naturally interpret our surroundings.
Oh wow, wait. You mean those movies with virtual reality? Are we really ready to jump into those worlds ourselves? Can I wear goggles and see dinosaurs? Laughs.
Absolutely. Picture this. We're standing at a crossroads where technology and user demand finally intertwine. This means it's not just about isolated AR games or clunky VR devices anymore. This is a full-blown spatial computing revolution, with slick hardware and AI that's able to understand us more naturally.
So it's like a mashup of everything? When you say spatial computing, does that mean how I experienced those little dinosaurs popping out of my living room while I was playing a game?
Exactly. XR is transforming into a powerful interface. Google's announcement of Android XR is a clear step towards reimagining how we engage with information. Imagine accessing data right in your physical world.
Whoa, wait. So can I see a menu pop up next to my dinner plate instead of pulling out my phone? That's next level dinner vibes, laughs.
Exactly. This marks a moment where XR shifts from experimental to essential. Developers have the necessary tools, and consumers are increasingly open to these immersive experiences. It's all about what's coming next.
So this is the next big thing after smartphones, huh? Will XR make phones totally obsolete? I can't help but think about how the first iPhone changed everything. What's the plan here?
That's a great question. Android XR represents not just an upgrade in software, but a fundamental change in how we relate to technology. Google aims to create a spatial computing ecosystem which enhances interaction beyond traditional app layouts.
Immersive experiences? What's that gonna be like? Will I be able to take my games to, fox hunting levels of reality? Laughs.
Yes. At the center of this evolution is Project Muhan, Google's very first Android XR headset, designed for genuine immersion, not just occasional fun experiences. This headset's integration with Gemini lets users converse naturally with their devices. Imagine having no buttons to push.
Whoa, that's wild. Will it even, recognize my mood and stuff? If I'm feeling down and need to, vent about my bizarre Netflix dreams?
Fantastic inquiry. AI is becoming a crucial part of the XR experience. Large language models like Gemini will help machines shift from manual inputs to casual conversations. This means XR devices will respond to natural language, providing a smooth user experience.
So, it's part friend, part assistant, and part therapist? I could seriously use that with all my Netflix binge watching. Laughs.
Exactly. The goal here is to create personalized experiences that are proactive. More than just reacting, these devices will assist users throughout their daily routines, adapting to their surroundings.
Wow. So it's not just about tech, but how it weaves into my life? That's, pretty groundbreaking.
Indeed. What we're observing isn't just a new product. It's a substantial reconfiguration of how we engage with technology. With Android XR and Project Muhan, Google is geared toward blending both digital and physical realities.
Wow, so are we talking about an entirely new reality? Will this actually work in busy places like concerts or something? I can totally visualize people wearing those glasses, but how do we avoid chaos? Laughs.
That's a thoughtful point. The effective deployment of XR technology relies heavily on its practicality in the real world. Google's aim is to forge a platform that encourages innovation and not confine it to their own hardware.
So do you think it's essential or just a flashy gimmick? It sounds awesome, but what if everyone just watches it as a novelty until it fades away, like fidget spinners?
That's indeed a legitimate concern. While the future of XR is intriguing, several questions remain unanswered. Will users truly adapt to this technology? Will it become essential or just another gimmick? And can we achieve seamless integration into our lives? Only time will reveal this. But it's clear that Google is taking significant strides toward the forefront of this exciting new horizon.
I guess we'll have to wait and see how this all plays out, huh? I'm really excited though. Thanks for breaking it down for me. This is really cool stuff.